How to dispute a CVS Health charge on a bank statement. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, review your CVS.com or receipt to confirm your purchase. You can actually get into your account via your CVS.com. You can sign in and look into the digital receipt, or you can look into your physical receipt and review it in order to confirm your purchase, right? Of course. And after doing that, now you can contact your customer care in their number. You can actually get their number online very easily, or you can simply get into their website, tap on the menu bar on the top left corner, and in here, if you keep on scrolling, you can find help center. You can actually get into their help center and search for the exact issue that you are looking for and get help regarding that too. Or else, like I said, you can actually call their customer service, and then from there, I'm pretty sure you will be able to get help. But if not, then you can actually, if you are unauthorized, the dispute charge, you can actually dispute the charge via your bank's online banking portal too. So you can either contact your bank, or you can get to the online banking portal and cancel or dispute the charge too. So yeah, you can do that either way. So like that, you'll be able to dispute a CVS Health charge on bank statement.